Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another meal plan and grocery haul video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kristi. I'm currently following the WW Blue program, but on my channel I provide the points for all three Weight Watchers programs, and I also give calories as well. So this week I'm coming to you with an Aldi haul. I did an Aldi Instacart haul, and then I'm going to follow up with my meal plan after that. Okay, starting over here, I got some gravy mix. This is 1 point per serving or 20 calories. And then I also got two different kinds of cheese. I got reduced fat Mexican and part skim mozzarella. Those are both 3 points for a quarter of a cup, or 90 calories for that one. I think they're both 90. No, 80 calories for the mozzarella. Back here is my Aldi find this week. They had these floats for the pool, so I thought that was pretty cool. A vanilla ice cream float. I got one of those. They had like donut shaped ones and a couple other ones, and these are really reasonable. They were only $5.99 each, and it says they're 5 feet long, so we'll see how they are. My grandson's going to be here this weekend, so I got him some Cinnamon Crunch squares. It's kind of like the Cinnamon Toast Crunch, except this one is only $1.55. 3 points for a half a cup. If you have a whole cup, it's 7. If you're counting calories on this, it is 180 calories for 1 cup. I got some of the fully cooked bacon that we like. So if you watched my recent meal prep, you saw I actually had fully cooked turkey bacon. That kind actually wasn't too bad. We preferred this kind, but the turkey bacon wasn't bad. This kind is more points than the turkey bacon. For that turkey bacon, you could actually have 4 slices, I think, for a point. And then this kind is 1 point for 1 slice. This used to scan at 1 point for 2 slices, but it's coming up 2 points for 2 slices now. So I think some of the points with Weight Watchers have been changing, or I'm not sure what's going on with them. And if you're counting calories on these, you can have 3 slices for 80 calories. I also got some eggs. Those are 0 on blue and purple, 2 points each on green, and 70 calories. And then I got this a couple weeks ago. You may have seen this, and my husband absolutely loved this kind. This is aged reserved New York white cheddar. 4 points. It's full fat, so 4 points for 1 ounce. I actually love having this as a little protein snack. 4 points for 1 ounce or 110 calories. And then this is the chicken breast that I actually used on meal prep last week. My husband asked me to go ahead and get another one just to have for the weekend. And also, these are really great just to kind of roll up and have it as a little snack. So you can kind of roll it up with some cheese or whatever and have a nice little snack. It's 1 point on all program. It does have a tiny bit of sugar in it, so that's why it's 1 point even on blue and purple. I think it's just a gram. Yeah, 1 gram of sugar. So the calories on this are 60 calories for 2 ounces. And like I said, it's 1 point on all programs up to 5 ounces. I think if you're just having a very small portion, like an ounce, like if we use it just to roll up as a snack, you can have 1 ounce for 0. I also got some steak fries. These are 3 points for 3 ounces or 120 calories. I got some low-fat cottage cheese, 2 points for half a cup. And if you're counting calories, 80 calories. I got a bunch of chicken breast back there, 0 points on blue and purple, 1 point for 3 ounces on green. If you just have 1 ounce, then it's 0. And for calories is 60 calories for 2 ounce portion. I got some more of the, what is the brand? Barissimo or something? Barissimo coffee, sugar-free French vanilla creamer. This is really good. It's very comparable to the Coffee Mate, I believe. And this kind, 0 points for 1 tablespoon, 1 point for 3 tablespoons. I got some 2% milk. That is 3 points for a half a cup. Some orange juice. This is the Fit and Active 50 calorie orange juice. It's the reduced sugar kind, which they say basically it just means it's watered down. That is 3 points for a half a cup, or calories are 50 calories for a whole cup. And then I also got some of these fruit and grain bars. My grandson actually likes these. These are blueberry fruit and grain bars, 5 points for one bar. If you're counting calories, 130 calories. And the elevation bars. The elevation bars are also 5 points, and those are 160 calories. My husband, I stocked up on these because my husband takes one of these to work with him every single day. He likes it kind of like for a mid-morning snack. All right, then I got some taco shells. These are, you can have 2 shells for 3 points or 3 shells for 5 points. I got some of our favorite steak. This is the petite sirloin steak. Absolutely love this. And this is 6 points for a 4-ounce piece. My husband usually grills this on the grill. Usually the weekends, that's why I don't usually plan anything on the weekends, is because they're kind of my husband's time for cooking. He likes to grill on the weekends, so that's his choice of what we have usually. So this is 6 points for a 4-ounce portion or 230 calories. And then I got some celery, some sugar snap peas, carrots, some avocado, tomato, blackberries, iceberg lettuce, Boston lettuce, and some grapes. So that's my Aldi grocery haul for the week, and now I'll show you my meal plan. Okay, so here is my meal plan for this week. I'm just using a Monday through Friday one because we will be out of town next weekend. So next weekend, I will probably not be doing a meal prep. And as always, if you're interested in my meal plan printouts, these are free on my website, planningushealthy.com. Just go to recipes and free printables, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and they will all be right there for you to print out. There's all different ones. So let me share with you what I have planned. This last meal prep, I did a no-cook meal prep, and let me tell you, we really enjoyed that because, as many of you know, I'm in Florida, and as with a lot of other places, it is very, very hot. Like, our heat index is so high. So I decided that I wanted to do another week of something that didn't involve a lot of cooking. So that's what I have planned this week. Just very super easy recipes this week. In fact, the breakfast is not even really a recipe. It is breakfast bentos. So all I'm going to be doing is probably making like some hard-boiled eggs, although my husband is not keen on hard-boiled eggs, so I may do something different with his. But I'm just going to do kind of like a bento breakfast with just a lot of different things. Like, I'm going to do hard-boiled eggs, maybe some cottage cheese and fruit, a couple slices of bacon. Basically, you just take a bunch of different things and you just throw it all together, and that's your breakfast. So that's all we're doing. I'm estimating 4 points on blue and purple, 8 on green, and about 300 calories. And that, I've got down Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, but honestly, with breakfast bentos, you can prep them for the whole week. So I will probably do those Thursday as well. I didn't write anything for Thursday and Friday just because with us leaving Friday, not really sure exactly what we're going to be doing. And then lunches this week, again, same thing. I'm probably going to continue it on Thursday for this week. For those of you who don't like to eat the same thing every day, you definitely can mix this up, do something different. Honestly, we've always kind of done that. Even back before I meal prep, it was like nothing for me to have a sandwich every day for lunch. Like, that's what I've just always done that. But you certainly don't have to have the same things every day. You can mix and match, do different things. But for me, we're going to do chicken salad with grapes, and I'm going to do it over a bed of lettuce. I'm going to use that Boston lettuce that I bought and do that. My husband may want his on bread, so I'll find out what he wants, if he wants it on a sandwich. So again, chicken salad, and I don't mean like a salad. I mean like chicken salad, like chicken with mayonnaise and grapes, and sometimes people put almonds in it and celery. So like what you put on a chicken salad sandwich. So you saw the sugar snap peas I got and the carrots. I'll probably do those with that as well. And again, an estimation on points and calories, 3 points on blue and purple, 4 on green, and 300 calories. And again, like I said, I'm going to leave, well, Friday I'm just leaving blank anyways, but Thursday I'm probably just going to extend the breakfast and lunch one day. And then for dinners this week, Monday, of course, salmon night. I talked about changing salmon night to Friday nights because usually when I do my dinner kits for meal prep, I just do 2 to 3 usually that I put together. And I feel like I'm always putting together salmon, and I feel like it's so repetitious. So I may move that to Friday night and start doing something different. I haven't quite decided yet. Again, the dinner kits aren't meant to show you like the actual recipe, but more just how you can do your own dinner kits. So I'm going to do bourbon glazed salmon this week. The salmon with the bourbon glaze is 1 point on blue and purple, 5 on green, 265 calories. I'm going to pair that with the 90-second ready rice that just goes in the microwave and some Brussels sprouts. So the total points and calories will be about 4 on blue and purple, 8 on green, and right around 385 calories, just depending how much Brussels sprouts you have. Tuesday night is going to be pork tenderloin with potatoes, carrots, and gravy. It's actually a garlic herb pork tenderloin. I've made this several times before. I have a video for it. It is really good. It doesn't sound the greatest. It doesn't look that great. It's not a plate. It's not like at plates, you know, looking real good, but it's really good. That one is 9 points on blue, 6 points on purple, and 12 points on green, and 388 calories. And then Wednesday night, I'm going to do turkey breast tenderloin with roasted potatoes and broccoli. That is about 4 points on blue and purple, 6 on green, 400 calories. So you'll notice the points and calories on here. That's not all I have. I have things throughout the week, snacks. Sometimes I'll make a little dessert with pudding and Cool Whip or something like that. So just so you all know, that is not the only thing that I eat. Thursday, I was going to do chicken tacos, but I'm thinking now that Thursday night, I may just swing by Publix on the way home from work and grab a Publix sub, since we are probably going to be packing up Thursday night. So that'll probably be the easiest thing to do. And then for my snacks this week, I have some watermelon left that is still good. So I'll have that. That's 0 points, of course. And then I have my pudding cups and my yogurt cups. Those are each 2 points. And then calories, I think they're like 70 for the pudding and 80 for the yogurt or something like that. So that's what I'm planning on the menu this week. So I want to thank you all so much for watching. If you're new, I hope you'll subscribe. I'll talk to you in my next video. I'm Kristi, and I'm Planning Us Healthy.
You're perfect as you are.